Hey there, Arne here. So one of the things that I really enjoy about this facilities maintenance job is the variety. I can be up on a roof one day trying to figure out some massive complicated project, and then the next day somebody can come up to me and go, hey, this is broken, are you able to fix it? If not, we'll just throw it away. And it's that kind of variety that I really enjoy. It's nice to be able to do something for somebody that's a quick turnaround and give something back to them that's put back together
way better than it was before.
I can't believe it when he told me he paid a couple $100 for this thing. Like, they're not cheap, but they're cheap. It's basically paper. Let me show you.
Buckle up your seat as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Where this thing blew apart, if you look at it, it's literally paper. It's not wood. So I'm gonna rebuild it. This is a super simple rebuild project. I just need to duplicate these pieces that were made out of paper, out of actual pieces of plywood. Looking at it, it looks like it's 3/4 inches thick. So I have got lots of 3/4 inch plywood available. Yeah, even in the scrap bin there, I can see pieces of hardwood. But the fastest way to do this, and it'll be 10 times stronger than it was, is with plywood. So that's what I'm gonna do. These are the two pieces that I need to duplicate right here. Well, it's starting to look like a bench again. I've got all the screws in. I've tightened down all the bolts. So it is sturdy. I wasn't paying close enough attention when I cut the grooves in this one because I've got a blemish on the outside here, but oh well. I did manage to have the awareness to put this blemish on the inside so no one will see that. I can now put the seat back on, and even though Connor, our music teacher, said he doesn't care if it has a bottom on it, I will put this bottom back on anyway. because it does add a little bit of strength. So strength is good, so let us keep as much of that as we can. Screws in the top. There we go, glued and stapled. So that is stronger than it was before, once that glue dries. And it now works as it is supposed to. I'll clean up this little bit of glue seepage around the edges, even though when that dries, it'll dry pretty much clear. And you won't see it, but there we go. At the end of the day, it's pretty nice that I found that scrap plywood with the finish on it, because I don't have to paint or finish anything. With the seat down, it actually looks, well, pretty much like it did when it was new, except that it's old. So there you go. Super simple little project, a one and done, less than an hour, and I can give this back to the music teacher. He'll be happy. The kids will have a seat to sit on once again. And yeah, I'm not sure what date this will be released, but this might be the Christmas release, or somewhere very close to around Christmas time. So if it's just before Christmas, I hope you have a great Christmas. If it's just after Christmas, I hope you had a great Christmas. And if it's, I was gonna try and say something clever about sitting on this and playing Christmas carols at the piano, but it's not coming out smoothly. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. Maybe see you next year.